Discover why 3D printing is redefining comfort and customization in footwear. 1. Precision fit. Advanced scanning technology ensures every shoe is tailored to the exact dimensions of your feet, maximizing comfort. 2. Enhanced support. Customizable designs provide superior arch and heel support, catering to individual needs. 3. Lightweight materials. 3D printing uses innovative, lightweight materials that enhance mobility without compromising durability. 4. Unique style. From design to fit, 3D printing offers endless personalization options, blending comfort with unmatched individuality. Step into the future of footwear today at 3dshoes.com.